In this video, you'll learn how to find workers on Taskrabbit. This guide explains how to search for services, enter your location, and select a tasker for your needs. Begin by logging into your Taskrabbit account on the website. If you are not already signed in, you will need to enter your email address and password to gain access to your account. This step is crucial as it allows you to utilize the platform's features. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the specific type of work you need done, such as TV mounting, furniture assembly, or cleaning. After you finish typing, press the enter key or click the search icon to initiate your search. After that, you will need to enter your location, provide the address, zip code, or city where the work will take place. Once you input your location, you will see a confirmation message indicating that Taskrabbit is available in your area. This ensures that you are connected with local taskers. Once you confirm your location, proceed to fill in the task details. The platform will present you with a series of questions related to the service you selected. This may include the number of items involved, the type of materials needed, and any additional services you may want. Completing this information accurately helps taskers understand your requirements better. After entering the task details, a list of available taskers will appear on your screen. You can compare them based on several factors, such as their hourly rates, customer reviews and ratings, the number of completed tasks, and their availability. Evaluating these aspects allows you to make an informed decision. Next, click on any tasker's name or profile picture to view more details about their experience, skills, and reviews from past clients. This information is essential in assessing whether a tasker is suitable for your needs. Once you find the right tasker, click the Select button to move forward with booking them. By selecting a tasker, you indicate your choice and you will be guided through the next steps to finalize the booking. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.